Welcome to Pop-Up Camper Pro. I'm Derek Smith, and I've got a new product for your pop-up camper. A new adjustable roof support pole. Where these are going to come in very handy is replacing lift cables. Instead of cutting 2x4s and hoping it's just right for your pop-up camper, these new steel poles have 11 inches of adjustment and should work on any pop-up camper out there. Simply click lock it to the desired length, put the safety lock in, and set it between your roof and the top deck of your camper. Say you break a cable at the campsite. With one of these in your toolkit, it will not stop your camping trip. They're adjustable from 41.5 inches all the way to 52.5 inches. If you're going to be working on the lift system of your camper, especially replacing a cable, maybe a family member wants to add a security of just an additional brace while you're camping, this is a system you need. Thank you very much for watching. Please give the video a thumbs up. Again, you can find these in the description and at our web store, ColemanPopUpParts.com. I will see you at the campground.